channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well, and welcome to the first ever episode of my brand new series, which is called #Behan Let's Talk. So basically in this series we'll be talking about women health and hygiene, basically intimate hygiene, personal care and wellness, some hacks and tips which I have tried and tested, and I'll be sharing my experiences as well which might help you. And मैं हमेशा से ऐसी कोई सीरीज स्टार्ट करना चाहती थी जहां हम लोग बहनों की तरह एक दूसरे से सब शेयर कर सके बिना किसी शर्म या एम्बैरेसमेंट के, और बेसिकली एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर सके, क्योंकि आई नो देयर आर मेनी गर्ल्स आउट देयर जो कि इन सब टॉपिक्स पे बात करने में कंफर्टेबल नहीं होती हैं, एंड फीमेल इंटीमेट हाइजीन इज स्टिल अ टैबू इन आवर सोसाइटी. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीजन. सो आई थॉट कि क्यों ना मैं ऐसी कोई सीरीज स्टार्ट करूं जहां हम लोग अपने पर्सनल स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में बात कर पाए, एंड बेसिकली हम लोग अपनी लाइफ एज अ गर्ल, एज अ वुमेन डिस्कस कर पाए एक दूसरे के साथ. एंड गर्ल्स, जस्ट अ डिस्क्लेमर बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, आई एम नॉट अ गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट और अ मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर. Whatever information I'll share with you, it's after doing a lot of research. Like I have read many articles, I've seen many interviews, gynec interviews, but I feel online information can be really confusing sometimes. तो मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने सारी चीजें जितनी भी मैंने आज तक रिसर्च की हैं, जिन चीजों के बारे में पढ़ा है, वो सारा मैंने खुद पे ट्राई एंड टेस्ट किया है, एंड जो भी हैक्स या टिप्स मेरे लिए सबसे बेस्ट वर्क किया है अभी तक, वही इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ दिस #Behan Let's Talk series is all about vaginal odor. I am sure a lot of girls are still not comfortable talking about it, but I feel vaginal odor can make women very uncomfortable and embarrassed. So इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे how we can deal with vaginal odor, plus few hacks and tips which I have been doing since a really long time, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys as well. तो सबसे पहली चीज, vaginal odor is very common and women of all age groups have to face it at some point in their lives. Every girl has a different odor which is completely fine, but what's not fine is when the odor becomes abnormal and unbearable. Like we as girls, we know how to differentiate between the two, like a normal odor and an abnormal odor. So if you feel that the odor is abnormal and you just cannot bear it, then you definitely need to see a doctor. So जो normal vaginal odor होती है वो काफी reasons की वजह से हो सकती है. First of all, it depends upon your hygiene habits, main thing, and then secondly, it depends upon your activities because you would then sweat accordingly, and it also depends upon what you eat. But the main thing that you have to keep in mind is you should always maintain a good hygiene level. आप जितने hygienic रहोगे उतनी ही odor कम आएगी. So for that, the very first thing that you have to do is you should always change your underwear every 24 hours. कभी-कभी होता है we skip taking a bath, so even if you do so, please make sure that you wash your vaginal area and wear a fresh underwear. This is like a hack that I do all the time in winters because I'll be very honest, I do not take bath every single day in winters. It's super cold in Delhi, so please guys make sure that you change your underwear every single day, क्योंकि आप जितना अपने vaginal area को clean रखोगे, bad bacteria की ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, एंड आप लोग नोटिस करोगे कि ओडर भी नहीं आएगी. और अगर हम अंडरवेयर की बात करें गाइस, तो ऑलवेज वेयर कॉटन अंडरवेयर ओनली बिकॉज कॉटन इज वेरी ब्रीदेबल एंड इट्स द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल मटेरियल फॉर योर स्किन. ऑलराइट, सो द सेकंड थिंग दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इज कीप योर vaginal area dry as much as you can. So right after you pee, please take a toilet paper or a tissue paper, pat your skin dry before putting on the underwear, because if your pee gets transferred to your panty and you wear the same wet panty for a long time, it can lead to odor and some vaginal infections too. So keeping your vaginal area dry is again very important. Now what I've been doing since years, ever since I was a kid, is I always like to wash that area after peeing. I just cannot put on my underwear just like that. I kind of feel gross, so I like to wash it with some water, pat my skin dry, and then wear the underwear. I know for some people it's a bit too much, but guys, it's the best thing you can do for your vaginal health. And since we are talking about vaginal odor, I know many girls, especially the teenagers, wonder about applying perfumes and deodorants on their vaginal area in order to prevent the odor. But guys, please do not ever think of applying such things on your skin because that area is super sensitive, and perfumes and deodorants contain a lot of harsh chemicals. They're like really dangerous for your skin. तो वो आपको वजाइनल इन्फेक्शंस दे सकते हैं. दे कैन कॉज इरिटेशन एंड डार्कनेस टू. सो इन दैट केस अगर आपको कुछ ऐसा यूज करना है जिससे आप अपना वजाइनल ओडर प्रिवेंट कर सको, तो आप एक्चुअली एक इंटीमेट परफ्यूम यूज कर सकते हो जो स्पेसिफिकली आपके सेंसिटिव एरियाज के लिए ही डिजाइन किया होता है. So the one that I've been using for a while is from Namya and it's their solid natural body perfume for sensitive skin. This comes in a set of 3 और तीनों ही अलग अलग variants हैं. So the first variant is called Ananda. The second variant is called Cocoa and Sandalwood and the third variant is called Fasli Gulab. So तीनों ही variants की बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है guys, but my favorite one has to be the Fasli Gulab one. It smells like roses obviously. So this is a natural solid perfume which is alcohol free and paraben free. It doesn't cause irritation or skin darkening and it's specially designed for the sensitive areas which makes it safe to use. And guys ये perfume जो है ना, ये natural ingredients से बने हुए हैं जैसे कोको, चंदन, गुलाब. तो बेसिकली आपको क्या करना है, when you're done taking a shower, just pat your skin dry and take a little bit of it and you have to apply this around your vaginal area. Remember, not on top, not inside, but around your vaginal area. So this actually covers up your vaginal odor and gives you like a really nice and pleasant fragrance which would last straight away for 12 hours. It's very gentle on the skin. इसकी पैकेजिंग भी काफी छोटी है एंड काफी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है, तो आप इसको आराम से अपने साथ कैरी भी कर सकते हो. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि ये आपके कपड़ों को बिल्कुल स्टेन नहीं करता है. इसको लगाने के बाद एक बहुत ही अच्छी प्लेजेंट फ्रेग्रेंस आती है जो कि थ्रू आउट द डे रहती है. आई जस्ट फील रियली गुड एंड कॉन्फिडेंट फ्रॉम विद इन बिकॉज इफ माई बॉडी स्मेल्स नाइस, आई फील नाइस. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. And it comes even more handy especially during our period days because I'm sure we all are familiar with that gross period smell. I know it's very normal but let's all agree it's quite annoying. So for those days this perfume really helps in controlling the odor and you can actually use this on your other body parts as well. Basically जहाँ से भी odor आए आप इसको वहाँ लगा सकते हो या फिर आप इस perfume को as a regular perfume भी use कर सकते हो अपनी body पे because it's quite long lasting. It's completely safe and natural. Just in case you guys would like to check out these perfumes by Namya, I'm surely gonna leave a link in the description box below. ये Amazon पे भी available है और Namya की उनकी अपनी website पे भी available है. Now another thing which can be a reason for vaginal odor is pubic hair. Again very common, everyone has it. Now some gynecologists suggest that we should get rid of them completely because it's more clean and hygienic, whereas some gynecologists suggest that we should keep some of it because it really protects us and it really prevents bad bacteria and germs from entering into the body. Now I have tried both of the things, okay, I'll be very honest, but if you would ask me, because it's everyone's personal choice, but if you want my suggestion, I would suggest you to not get rid of the hair completely because guys understand it's there for a reason. Basically there should be a layer of your hair to protect that area, but make sure that you trim it regularly because let me just put it out there, if you would have like a lot of hair down there, you would sweat more and काफी ज्यादा sweat accumulate हो जाएगा जो कि bad bacteria build up कर देगा and it would lead to a very bad odor. And of course sometimes your pee can also get stuck in the hair or your period blood as well, and it can actually cause a lot of irritation and infections too down there. And lastly, it's very important to take care of your diet because you are what you eat. So for us girls, yogurt or curd is really good to consume because curd has lactobacillus bacteria, which is like a good bacteria because it really helps to maintain the pH level. Also it helps to control the vaginal odor naturally, so please start consuming curd if you haven't already. And also don't forget to drink lots and lots of water because it will just flush out all the toxins from your body. So please eat well and stay healthy. Our body is our home and as a woman, vaginal health is very very important. Like I said, there are still many girls who are not really comfortable talking about female intimate hygiene and their vaginal health, but guys please understand it's just a body part and nothing to feel shy about. तो guys यही एक main reason है मेरी ये series start करने का, ताकि हम एकदम ऐसे sisters की तरह एक दूसरे से बिना किसी शाइनेस या एम्बैरसमेंट के इन टॉपिक्स पे खुल के बात कर पाए. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ पूछना है या फिर अपना कोई एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना है देन प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू लीव इट डाउन बिलो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, या फिर आप लोग मुझे डीएम भी कर सकते हो एंड लेट मी नो कि आपको #बहन लेट्स टॉक का फर्स्ट एपिसोड कैसा लगा. और मुझे प्लीज बताना कि मैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड कौन से टॉपिक पे बनाऊं. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो, हेल्पफुल लगी हो, then please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, I would surely leave all the links for you guys in the description box below. And yes, I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.